Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin with essentials. Make sure your Dragonborn voice files match the game version and are installed. Once done, enable the mod in your manager and set load order near the top. Next, prepare your audio source, a microphone, a recorded voice line, or a TTS engine, and route it into the game or capture software with a virtual audio cable. This ensures the game can access the audio stream and explains why routing now prevents sync issues later. You continue by configuring audio and mapping voices. Open the mod's config and set voice volume and priority so speech won't be drowned by SFX. Once adjusted, map files to characters or triggers using the mod's naming scheme. That step connects content with in-game events. Make sure to tweak pitch and timing offsets in the config or injection script because small delays break immersion. These adjustments refine delivery and explain why precise offsets matter for believable lip sync and conversational flow. You finish by running full playtests, triggering every dialogue line and cutscene to confirm timing and audio levels. Once done, inspect logs for missing file names or path errors. The console often shows the exact problem. If lines fail, rerun the installer or repair load order, then clear the game's cache and rebuild archives to force the engine to reload assets. This single troubleshooting tip, repair and cache clear, fixes most issues, so try it before more invasive debugging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.